Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the Maxsun iCraft Z790 Wi-Fi motherboard. A budget-friendly option packed with features that might surprise you. Let's get right into it. First off, let's talk aesthetics. The Maxsun iCraft Z790 boasts a sleek black and silver design, with RGB lighting elements that add a touch of flair to any build. The infinity-like display on the heatsink and the subtle underflow create a visually appealing setup that's sure to impress. When it comes to connectivity, this motherboard has you covered. With front and rear 20 gigabits per second USB Type-C ports, dual 2.5 GBE LAN ports, integrated Wi-Fi 6E, and 4 M.2 sockets. You'll have plenty of options for expanding your setup and connecting all your devices. But what about performance? Well, I'm happy to report that the Maxsun iCraft Z790 delivers in spades. Thanks to its robust power delivery system and updated BIOS, this motherboard performed exceptionally well in our benchmark tests, outperforming many of its competitors in both stock and overclocked scenarios. In summary, the Maxsun iCraft Z790 Wi-Fi motherboard offers a compelling blend of features, performance, and affordability. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of some higher-end options, it more than holds its own in terms of functionality and reliability. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly motherboard that doesn't skimp on performance, this might just be the one for you. That's all for today's review, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy building!